Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add custom code to your sites on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now there are a couple of ways to do this and I'm going to show you the first one right now. The thing you need to do first is go over into your pages menu. Then once you're here, scroll all the way down until you get to website tools. And here you have custom CSS, which is code which will change the appearance of this page. Or you can go into code injection and add any injected code for several services such as Calendly. You can also add Google Tag Manager, etc. That's what you're going to be adding into code injection. In custom CSS, you can add, well, whatever CSS you want, and that'll change the appearance of your page, which is what CSS code does by design. You can do that, or you can go over into one of your pages. I'll use this page as an example. Click Edit, add a section. I'll add a blank section. Then you can go ahead into that section, add a block, and if you scroll down, you'll see code. Just click on code, and you can click to edit it, and you can select the mode, whether you want HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Markdown, plain text, and you can also click if you want to display the source code on your actual page. But if you don't, just add content. You can also go ahead and click Add Block, and if you're looking to embed something, click on the embed block, then go into code snippet, embed data, and you can add the HTML code there. And that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.